Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best deer whistles is probably one of the most overlooked safety features for truck owners, especially those who frequently drive in areas with high deer populations. These simple devices emit ultrasonic sounds designed to alert deer to the presence of your vehicle, potentially preventing collisions and saving you from costly repairs or worse. But do they really work? Let's dive in and find out. Number 5. Elook Deer Warning Whistles, 2-pack, Save Deer Whistle. Are you worried about hitting animals while driving? This small device can help. It emits a sound to deter animals, potentially saving lives and preventing accidents. The device uses upgraded acrylic double-sided tape. It's more stable and easier to use than other adhesives. You can easily attach or remove it without leaving any residue. This product has a single design with a size of 0.55 by 0.6 by 1.1 inches. It's small enough to attach to any bumper or grille. It's discreet and won't change the look of your car. Made of high-quality ABS plastic, this product is built to last. The package includes 2 whistles, giving you added value and protection. We are committed to providing 100% satisfactory service. If you have any questions or issues, our service team is always here to help. Feel free to contact us anytime. What we like. This whistle boasts a mini size, making it discreet and easy to install on any vehicle. The strong adhesive ensures it stays put, even in harsh conditions. If you are looking for a simple, effective solution that won't change the look of your car, this is a great choice. It's also backed by a worry-free service, giving you peace of mind. What people say. They were super easy to mount and stay secure even after car washes and rain. The design is low profile and barely noticeable on the vehicle, which I really like. Since installing these, they scamper and run away. So easy to use and install. It really looks like they will not stick to your car. But these little suckers are quality built. They absolutely stick without adding anything extra and they don't budge. Number 4. Deer Whistles for Vehicles Wind-Activated Black. These wind-activated whistles emit sound waves to warn deer. This helps prevent collisions by giving them advance notice. For best results, use a set on your vehicle. Made from durable ABS plastic, this set is built to withstand the elements. The upgraded design includes a lengthened base and strong adhesive tape for secure attachment. The tape is designed to be easily removed without damaging your car's paint. Installation is simple, just peel and stick the whistles to your vehicle's grille or bumper. Ensure the larger end faces forward and the whistle is level. It's recommended to place them where airflow is greatest. Each order includes 8 sets. These whistles are designed for easy removal for car washes. They are also universally compatible with all types of vehicles. The whistles work best at speeds of 35 miles per hour or more, with a range of up to a quarter mile. Each item undergoes quality control and is carefully packaged. A 30-day refund warranty is offered. If you have any issues, customer service is available to assist you. What we like. This product comes with multiple whistles, increasing the chance of alerting deer. Installation is a breeze, and the removable design makes it convenient for car washes. If you frequently drive in areas with high deer activity and want a reliable, easy-to-use solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Great for alerting deer and sending them back into the forest. I live out in the sticks and have been working all over the place. Since I installed these 2 weeks ago, I have seen one deer and he ran off when I got closer to him. I have not seen a single possum or raccoon, and I want to say that I even seen roadkill run off when he heard me coming. LOL. Seriously, a lifesaver. They have saved my car more than once. Number 3. Elook Deer Whistles for Car, 2-pack. Are you worried about unexpected animal crossings? This innovative device emits ultrasonic sound to deter deer and other animals. It is a simple yet effective way to enhance your driving safety. This compact whistle easily attaches to your vehicle. Its small size ensures it blends seamlessly with your car's design. You'll barely notice it, but it will be working hard to keep you safe. Installation is a breeze with the included acrylic tape. The adhesive becomes stronger over time, ensuring a secure fit. Plus, it removes cleanly without leaving any residue. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this product is built to withstand the elements. It's durable and designed to endure various weather conditions, providing long-lasting protection. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our dedicated service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Feel free to reach out, we're here to help. What we like. This product features a unique 3-hole design for enhanced effectiveness. The firm acrylic tape ensures a secure hold, and the durable material can withstand various weather conditions. If you prioritize a long-lasting and effective deer whistle, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install, and so far it seems to be working great. I have seen deers and other animals and they'll retreat the other way or just stay still. Haven't seen a deer since I put these on my car. Easy to put on. I mounted them in a subtle spot in the front grille area. I can definitely see the deer react to the sound of the whistle. The whistles are not a 100% deer repellent. You still have to be alert for them. However, I have definitely noticed more of an avoidance reaction after having them versus before. My only complaint is that at 55 miles per hour, they are definitely loud enough to be heard inside the car if the radio isn't loud. I usually only notice when I listen to audiobooks or I'm talking on the phone, through Bluetooth. Overall, a fantastic purchase. I've had them for 6 months. My car is parked outside and subjected to Indiana winter, but the included adhesive is still holding up. It's very durable and can easily handle the elements as well as interstate speeds. Number 2. Bell Automotive 22-1-01001-8 Deer Warning Chrome. This chrome deer warning is the perfect accessory for those in high-risk areas. It helps to reduce the chance of accidents with animals. The warning generates a unique sound. This sound alerts animals of oncoming vehicles, helping to prevent collisions. The low-profile design mounts easily with adhesive tape. It can also be removed for cleaning. This is the perfect accessory for your car. It is designed to help keep you and animals safe on the road. The dimensions are approximately 3L x 1W x 6H. It is a compact design that is easy to install on your vehicle. With this product, the chances of accidents can be greatly reduced. It is a smart choice for safer driving. What we like. This deer warning device features a sleek chrome finish, adding a touch of style to your vehicle. Installation is quick and easy, and it's designed to help reduce accidents. If you want a deer whistle that looks good and helps keep you safe, this is a great choice. What people say. The audible sound it produces effectively grabs the attention of nearby deer, alerting them to the presence of my vehicle and giving them a chance to move away. Installation was a breeze, thanks to the simple instructions provided. I have not hit a deer yet. Number 1. Frienda deer whistles, avoid collisions for vehicles. Are you tired of unexpected encounters with deer while driving? These whistles are designed to help. Air moving through them creates a sound that alerts animals to your presence, potentially avoiding collisions. The whistles emit both sound and ultrasound waves. While these frequencies are effective at warning animals like deer, they are inaudible to humans and pets inside the vehicle. This ensures safety for everyone. Installing these whistles is a breeze. Simply attach them to your vehicle's grille or bumper. Ensure the larger end faces forward for optimal airflow and effectiveness. They can also be easily removed when washing your car. If you frequently drive in areas with wildlife, this is a must-have accessory. The warning sound helps to reduce the risk of accidents. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your safety on the road. Please be aware that this product is an international item. It may have different features, age ratings, and instructions compared to local products. Always check the details before use. What we like. This product comes with multiple whistles, increasing the chance of alerting deer. It's designed to be safe for your pets, as they can't hear the ultrasonic sound. If you live in a wild area and want a reliable, easy-to-use solution, this is the one for you. What people say. They're discreet and easy to affix to a bumper or in front of side view mirrors. I put them on the chrome bumper of my truck more than 2 years ago and they're still holding up through freezing cold and searing hot weather. I've seen deers run away from my car, or stand still as I drive by. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.